Once upon a time, in the heartland of the United States, a young woman named Lily found herself standing at the crossroads of her life. With a map spread out before her, she dreamt of embarking on a grand journey that would forever shape her destiny. Determined and curious, she set off on a quest to explore the vast and diverse landscapes of America. Lily's journey began in the bustling city of New York, where skyscrapers pierced the sky and dreams seemed within reach. She walked through Central Park, the verdant oasis in the concrete jungle, and marveled at the Statue of Liberty, a symbol of freedom and hope. Inspired by the city's energy, she absorbed the culture, relishing in Broadway shows and savoring slices of pizza from street vendors. Leaving the city behind, Lily ventured westward towards the breathtaking landscapes of the American West. She found herself in the midst of the magnificent Grand Canyon, where the sheer vastness of the chasm filled her with awe. Hiking along the rim, she witnessed a vibrant sunset that painted the sky in hues of orange and pink, igniting a fire of passion within her heart. Continuing her journey, Lily made her way to the vibrant city of New Orleans, where the air buzzed with the rhythm of jazz and the aroma of Cajun cuisine filled the streets. She danced to the lively tunes of street performers and indulged in gumbo and beignets. The vibrant culture and vibrant people of New Orleans left an indelible mark on her soul. Seeking solace in nature, Lily traveled north to the serene landscapes of Yellowstone National Park. She marveled at the bubbling hot springs and stood in awe of the iconic Old Faithful geyser. As she hiked through the trails, she encountered bison and elks, feeling a deep connection to the wildlife and the preservation of the natural world. The journey took Lily to the charming coastal towns of New England, where she experienced the quaint beauty of Cape Cod and the picturesque charm of Martha's Vineyard. She dipped her toes in the Atlantic Ocean, breathing in the salty breeze and finding solace in the rhythmic crashing of the waves against the shore. As Lily traveled across the country, she discovered not only the physical beauty of America, but also the incredible diversity of its people. She conversed with locals in small-town diners, listening to their stories and understanding the tapestry of American life. After months of exploration and introspection, Lily returned home, forever changed by her journey. She realized that America's true beauty lay not only in its landscapes, but also in the resilience, dreams, and shared humanity of its people. She carried the stories, the memories, and the spirit of her journey, vowing to share her experiences with others. Lily published a book chronicling her adventures, captivating readers from coast to coast. Her story resonated deeply with Americans, as it reminded them of the boundless possibilities within their own country and the power of personal discovery. The book became a bestseller, inspiring countless others to embark on their own journeys of self-discovery and exploration. Through Lily's journey, America found itself reflected in the pages of her book, a tapestry of cultures, landscapes, and dreams woven together. Her story became a beloved tale, passed down through generations, encouraging people to embrace their own journeys and discover the magic that lay just beyond their comfort zones. And so, the story of Lily's transformative journey became a beloved American classic, reminding its readers of the limitless potential that lies within them and the beauty that can be found in the diverse landscapes and people of the United States of America.